Hey everybody, Jason here. Welcome to my channel, How to Learn Knots. In this video, we're going to have a look at the bowline knot. So let's go to the work table and have a look. Okay, so the bowline is an ancient and simple knot used to form a fixed loop at the end of a rope. It has the good virtues of being both easy to tie and untie. Most importantly, it's easy to untie even after being subjected to a heavy load. The bowline is sometimes even referred to as the king of knots because of its importance. So let's have a look at how to tie the bowline knot. There are a few different ways to tie the bowline, but most people know the little story of the rabbit jumping up out of its hole, running around the tree, and then back down the hole again. So the first step is to create a loop by twisting your working line. From there, take your working end and feed it up through the loop, and then around the standing line, and then back down through the loop. A properly formed bowline should have the working end on the inside of your bowline loop when it's finished. Okay, so let's have another look at how to tie the bowline knot. So there you have it, the bowline knot. Another easy knot to learn. Now, if you've liked this video, please don't forget to give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and help me build the channel by subscribing. Thanks a lot.